Swahili phrases and the words. Na nilikuuliza. I asked you. Nilikuuliza. I asked you. Nilikuwa hapa. I was here. Nilikuwa hapa. Alikuwa pale. O huko. O hapo. Pale, huko, hapo means there. Right? Alikuwa pale is fine. Alikuwa huko is fine. Alikuwa hapo means he or she was there. Nilikuwa na shangaa. I was wondering. Nilikuwa na shangaa. I was wondering. Sikuwa hapa. I was not here. Sikuwa hapa. I was not here. Alikuwa anaishi hapa. She was living here. Alikuwa anaishi hapa. She or he was living here. Alikuwa anaishi na mimi. He or she was living with me. 309. Alikuwa anaishi na mimi. She or he was living with me. Alikuwa anaishi na mama yake. She was living with her mother. Alikuwa anaishi na mama yake. She was living with her mother. Alikuwa sahihi. She or he was right. Alikuwa sahihi. Alikuwa analia. She was crying. Alikuwa analia. She was crying. Walikuwa hapa. They were here. Walikuwa hapa. We are talking about present continuous and past continuous tense, not present. Past continuous tense, wakati uliopita unaoendelea. Walikuwa hapa. They were. Maanake walikuwa ni wengi. More than one person. They were here. Walikuwa hapa. Walikuwa wanakimbia. They were running. Walikuwa wanakimbia. They were running. Walikuwa wanakuja. They were coming. Walikuwa wanakuja. They were coming. Walikuwa wanakula. They were eating. Walikuwa wanakula. They were eating. John na Anna walikuwa marafiki. John na Anna walikuwa marafiki. John and Anna were friends. See? Aliungana nasi. He or she joined us. Aliungana nasi. He or she joined us. Alimaliza kazi zake. He finished her works. Oh, it was his works, not her works. His works. Because he represents a male, right? So it was his, not her. He finished his works. Alimaliza kazi zake. So it was supposed to be his, right? Alifaulu jaribio lake. She passed her test. Alifaulu jaribio lake. She passed her test. Hakujua. He didn't know. Hakujua. He didn't know. Alijua. He knew. Alijua. He knew. Nilijua. I knew. You see? Hiki, huyu, or hili means this. He